Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make DIY popsicle sticks. Start by choosing a project and sketching a simple plan, then sort sticks by size and shape. Collect glue, scissors, sandpaper, clamps or clips, and paint. Keep water and paper towels handy for quick cleanups, and work on a flat surface with good light to ensure neat joints and smooth finishes while you assemble pieces. Carefully measure and mark each popsicle stick before any cutting to maintain symmetry. Use a fine-tooth saw or sharp scissors to trim sticks slowly, keeping hands steady and supported. After cutting, sand all edges lightly with medium then fine sandpaper to remove splinters and help glue bond. Dry fit pieces to check alignment, then make small adjustments so final assembly will be accurate and strong without gaps or wobble. Apply glue sparingly along joint surfaces and press pieces together firmly, using clips or clothespins to hold parts while they cure. Add small cross supports at stress points to prevent loosening during use and allow full drying time before handling. Once cured, sand any excess glue, then paint or seal the project with thin coats for even coverage. Let paint dry between layers and finish with a protective clear coat for durability and easy cleaning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.